the crypto market is crashing right now. Very badly, actually. Now let's dive into why. What is going on, guys? My name is Freddie Finance. I'm a licensed financial advisor that left wealth management for social media. Now, there are several factors that are contributing to Bitcoin's crash. This includes macroeconomic issues like rising interest rates, falling stock prices, inflation, and a looming recession. So when I say that macroeconomic issues have been contributing to part of Bitcoin's crash, that means that this relates to the economy as a whole rather than just the flaws in the crypto market specifically. But we also have a major lawsuit going on between the SEC and Ripple, which adds to the fear from investors because the future of currency, or of cryptocurrency, should I say, is really waiting on the verdict of this case, because if Ripple loses, then the SEC has full reign to pretty much go after many other crypto projects. Another factor that's exclusive to the crypto industry is that crypto lending platforms such as Celsius Networks is pausing withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts due to the extreme market conditions. The cryptocurrency space is literally the modern day wild west. I mean, I'm very happy that I don't have any money in Celsius, but I really feel bad for the investors that do. The New York Times recently reported that a 40-year-old investor named Jacob Willett, who's a delivery driver, put his entire life savings into Celsius, and when the platform froze, they froze more than $8 billion in assets, and this guy received no reassurance that his money is safe, and that's really sad. Now let's talk about good old Coinbase. They took a $430 million loss in the first quarter of 2022, and their company stock dropped 81%. So apparently the company's planning layoffs of 1/5 of its staff. So not looking too good right now in the short term for Coinbase. Back in the early days of crypto, at least when I got into it, which was around 2018, a lot of people said that crypto was not tied to traditional markets, which is why they called it an inflation hedge. But what's going on right now is showing that is not true, because crypto and the traditional stock markets are going down together. For instance, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is a key stock market index, entered a bear market in mid-June of 2022. And in the first week of July, the S&P 500 officially entered into a bear market as well. So let's get a little more specific about why crypto is crashing as a whole. In July of 2022, Bitcoin was sitting around 68% lower than its all-time high of 68,000. So a bear market refers to investments reaching below 20% of its peak, and Bitcoin is well below that, pretty much in the absolute crash phase. But if you look at Bitcoin's history, this is nothing new to what's happened. So Bitcoin's sitting around 19,000 today, and some analysts, even myself, have it pushing another bearish run down to around the 14 to 15,000 range. But a lot of the analysts are saying it's going up. Again, this is not financial advice, but still, right now is a great buying opportunity to start dollar cost averaging into this Bitcoin. So will crypto survive this crash? I think so. If you're a first-time crypto investor that got in at the highs, it really, this is a stat I want you guys to understand, it really could be worth hanging on to, because 100% of the people who have bought and waited 4 years onto their crypto have seen their investment grow in value. A lot of top Wall Street analysts suggest that their clients should keep, around at least 3% of their portfolio into crypto. Keep in mind they have multi-millions. I myself, who doesn't have that much money, has little over 20% of my whole net worth in the crypto. But again, it's very relative because I'm young and I have an aggressive outlook on my investments. And if you're looking for cryptos to invest in, I'm not going to recommend any one specific, but look into what the project is trying to accomplish as a whole. Is it trying to solve some societal problem? Is it trying to make something easier for someone else? What utility is it going to provide? That's what you really need to think about. I hope this gave you guys a better idea about why the crypto markets have been crashing, and gives you more clarity on the next money moves that you're going to make. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe so I can catch you on the next time.